easier way to install Python. Hello everyone, without wasting any time, which is our goal for this YouTube channel, let's dive into installing Python on Windows 11. Open the command prompt and type Python version. You'll notice that it doesn't display any Python version, indicating that it's not installed. There are two ways to install Python. The first method involves visiting the Python website, downloading the latest version compatible with your Windows, and installing it. However, this requires finding the appropriate version that works well with your computer, which can be a bit cumbersome. That's why it's preferable to consider the second option. The second method is simpler. Just open your command prompt and type Python, then press enter. Here's what you do: head to the Microsoft Store and search for Python, then proceed to install it. This approach is incredibly straightforward and user-friendly. I'm confident that many people haven't even thought of installing Python this way.